Now I'll introduce you to Villa Dogi, which is a hidden gem in Finnish nature. It's located in Inkoo, only an hour away from the Helsinki-Vantaa International Airport, 50 minutes from Helsinki Center and a few minutes from necessary services. Villa Dogi was born when the owner and the builder of this hidden gem was looking for a place by the Finnish archipelago. He had spent many years in Spain and was looking for a site near nature for his new home in Finland, especially enjoying the mild summers. His aim was to find a location which includes all of the core 4 luxury elements which many inhabitants of the world metropoles are crawling for. These elements are clean air, clean water, clean nature, and peace. So, not too many people. It was love in first sight. Inkoo was the one, the right place for home. The property was finished in 2013 on the 1-hectare lot of land, which is located next to the great rock, Isokallio, which was significant already to the Vikings. Architect Jussi Kalliopuska designed the unique and beautiful house, which has in total 302 square meters of space, with plenty of openness, carefully designed details, luxury, natural feel, and harmony. Villa Dogi includes the guest house Little Dogi. And a garage, which formed their own entity. The house also includes a secret passage, which leads from the cinema and music room from the library off to the house. Another incredible elegant room is the Viking cellar located underneath Villa Dogi, where one can sit down, relax, and be sheltered by the strongest bedrock in Europe, the never-sharing Finnish rock. The house is heated energy efficiently with a geothermal heating system. Villa Dogi also has its own generator for security in case of an electrical failure. On the large 1-hectare lot of land, there is a swimming pool which looks like a natural pond with clear filtered groundwater. Next to the swimming pool pond is the Villa Dogi summer kitchen. The Argentina barbecue has been used by top chefs to prepare gourmet meals for parties. Because of the acoustic qualities, the summer kitchen is an excellent place for holding concerts. The owner's love for Finnish nature and Lapland can be seen next to the swimming pool lake. Genuine Lapland TP tent is a place for getting immersed in the sight and smell of fire, as well as sharing stories. On the lot of land, you will also find a boat shed, and wood storage houses built in Japanese style. On the southern terrace, next to the sauna, there's a large jacuzzi in which even a bigger group of bathers can relax, with or without bubbles. The unique and luxurious surroundings of Villa Dogi serve well for all year-round living, or as a unique and individual second home. Villa Dogi as a whole is also very well suited for organizing training or recreation for companies or organizations, or, for example, for modern nature retreats that highlight natural and quiet living. This house has been built with great love, warmth, and expertise. It's a once-in-a-lifetime chance. We wish you warmly welcome to familiar yourself with the house. Please contact us in advance. If you wish, you can also receive a video tour showing the house as a whole in one take. Thus, you don't need to guess, but you can truly see how wonderful this house and its surroundings are. Villa Dogi, in Inkoo, close to the airport, next to the Great Rock, waiting for its new owner, who appreciates the 4 luxury elements of the 2020s: clean air, clean water, pure nature, and peace.